Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have Halloween themed fidgets. I have a Halloween pumpkin. I have a bat, a ghost, and a skeleton, and the ghost one glows in the dark. I have 3 packs of these. And yes, they are the same. I have Halloween monkey noodles. There's a bat, a pumpkin, and a skeleton. Halloween slinkies. My favorite is the orange one. I have a pumpkin stress ball. I have a zombie head stress ball, but it came out of the package. I have 2 skeleton stress balls. And I have 2 of the LED like eyes. And yes, they do light up. Here's proof of it. They light up 2 different colors, red and blue. Out of the whole entire pile that I have, I am most excited for the pumpkin stress ball, and I am most excited for the monkey noodles. Comment down below which one is your favorite out of the whole entire pack. My favorite has to be the puppets, the monkey noodles, and the pumpkin stress ball. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see everyone in the next video.